Man, so we're stuck with some real world problems like which messaging app should we use? So, as most of us know, WhatsApp dropped an update to its users with a new privacy policy and terms, basically that state that WhatsApp reserves the right to share some user data with the Facebook app, and if these terms were not accepted by February 1, users would no longer be able to use the app. Now, of course, this sparked an outcry by many users around the world because, well, privacy matters. This outcry even came from the India ministry, who reportedly asked WhatsApp to drop privacy policy changes. Now, ever since WhatsApp sent out these new terms, new users have flocked to competitor messaging apps like Telegram and Signal, which are now ranking, the numbers are crazy on how many downloads there have been recently. Now, also just recently, WhatsApp said it would delay the new policy launch to May instead of February, saying the new update was simply to allow users to message businesses and does not affect personal conversations. I honestly think, on the other hand, WhatsApp noticed the outcry, especially from the India ministry and everybody else around the world, and they had to reevaluate their situation, maybe letting things simmer down a little bit. We shall see. Now, either way, many of you are probably thinking about jumping ship or already have and just can't decide where to go. So I'm going to go through what Signal and Telegram can offer as the alternative to hopefully help you make your decision if you decide to dump WhatsApp. Now, first off, if you're new here and you want more news reviews and how-tos for your phone, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything. So both apps have a few things in common, such as a promise to provide more privacy than its competitor. Now, both are not owned by a big tech company, Signal being owned by a nonprofit organization and Telegram owned by a for-profit company. Now, both are available on iOS, iPadOS, and Android as free apps. All you simply need is a phone number to sign up. Now, however, each have some differences as well. Signal's built from the ground up for privacy and has end-to-end encryption between devices running the app. So basically, Signal couldn't even see your messages if they really wanted to. Now, on the other hand, Telegram has end-to-end encryption as well, which is optional. You have to set up a secret chat in order to have this happen. Now, where Signal, everything is a secret chat all of the time. To add to this, on Telegram, you can't even have group secret chats, where on Signal you can. Now, all conversations on Signal are stored directly to your device, where on Telegram they are stored on Telegram servers. So Signal seems to have the advantage when it comes to privacy, but Telegram offers some extra features that Signal does not. Real quick, let me know in the comments what is more important to you, just by typing hashtag privacy or hashtag features. Now, on Telegram, you can have up to 200,000 people in one group chat, which I think is really insane. I mean, who would do that for real? That's a lot, but whatever. And now Signal only allows up to 1,000 people in one chat, which I still think is insane. 1,000 people, it's just insane. Like, you go on Zoom and you have 150 people, it's crazy, let alone 1,000, but whatever. Now, Telegram allows you to transfer files up to 2 gigabytes, while Signal, you're stuck with 100 megabytes. Telegram has Cloud Sync, so you can carry on conversations on multiple devices. So if I was to start a conversation on my iPhone, I could jump over to my iPad and keep the conversation going all the same. Now, Signal, that's just simply not the case because everything's locally stored on that specific device. Now, Telegram offers bots to your conversations, which would be good for 200,000 people, that's for sure. But Signal does not offer that. Now, obviously, adding bots is nice when you have a bunch of people in a chat or in a voice messaging thing, but also it gives less privacy encryption. So it's something to think about. So which app would you use? Honestly, if you're more for privacy and that is important to you, then I would suggest Signal. But if you're fine with your conversations being stored on a server and want some extra features and want to just dump WhatsApp altogether, then definitely go with Telegram. Now, either way, both Telegram and Signal are more secure than WhatsApp. They don't connect to other apps like WhatsApp does to Facebook. And you also have to remember that whichever app that you choose, you have to be sure friends and family choose the same, or you just simply cannot communicate with each other on it. So which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. Check out some more videos on app news in this playlist that I left right here. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.